अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। उम्मीद है आप सब लोग खैर आफियत से होंगे। In the previous lectures, we have started the chapter Aggregate Demand 1 from the book of Macroeconomics by Professor Mankiw, and we have studied that how IS curve and LM curve is determined under short run and under closed economy. ISLM मॉडल बेसिकली जो हमने स्टडी किया है, एक तो ये शॉर्ट रन इकानमी को प्रेजेंट कर रहा है और दूसरा ये क्लोज्ड इकानमी को प्रेजेंट कर रहा है। मैं थोड़ा सा ब्रीफली इनको एक्सप्लेन करके जो है वो फर्दर आज के लेक्चर की तरफ मूव करता हूँ, विच इज़ रिलेटेड टू दिस वन। IS curve plots the inverse relationship between the income and the level of output that arises in the market for goods and services. And IS curve is determined with the help of Keynesian cross and investment function theory. And we have also observed that how fiscal policy can affect this Keynesian cross and ultimately can affect this IS curve. In case of expansionary fiscal policy, IS curve will shift to the right side, and in case of contractionary fiscal policy, IS curve will shift to the left side. Then we have studied the determination of LM curve. LM curve plots the positive relationship between the interest rate and the level of output that arises in the market for that arises in the money market. बेसिकली LM कर्व जो है वो मनी मार्केट इक्विलिब्रियम को रिप्रेजेंट करता है, जबकि IS कर्व जो है वो गुड्स मार्केट इक्विलिब्रियम को रिप्रेजेंट करता है। LM curve shows the positive relationship between the interest rate and the level of output that arises in the money market. And LM curve is determined with the help of liquidity preference theory, where money demand and money supply determines the equilibrium interest rate. And we have also observed that how monetary policy can affect or disturb this equilibrium, this LM curve. Obviously, liquidity preference theory, क्योंकि मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी जो है वो लिक्विडिटी प्रेफरेंस इक्विलिब्रियम को भी डिस्टर्ब करती है और अल्टीमेटली फिर जो है वो LM कर्व को भी डिस्टर्ब करती है। इन केस ऑफ expansionary monetary policy, LM curve shift rightward, and in case of contractionary monetary policy, LM curve shift upward or leftward. Then we have studied the equilibrium at that point where IS curve and LM curve intersect to each other. This will be the equilibrium point. इसी को हम आगे एक्सटेंड करते हैं aggregate demand to applying the ISLM model.